My name is Maryse Mbonyumutwa. I'm the founder of Pink Mango, which is an export garment manufacturer located in Rwanda. Probably the biggest challenge faced for raising capital is that there is still very little understanding of our industry. So we don't have enough investors for the moment who have our industry in their mandate. And the second one, when we do find them, as the cost of finance. This is an amazing opportunity for a company like us because we get to fund, we get to interact with many funds at once that we will not have fund by ourselves. First of all, we get to interact with other companies raising funds like us and exchanging about the challenges we are experiencing, but also exchanging tips and other avenues they are pursuing. One thing I would like the investors to remember about Pink Mango is that we are pioneering in a very promising industry in Africa, and we are already in partnership with global giants. So we are a giant seed as well, and this is what I would like the investors to remember. My key takeaway from these events is that fund is available, money is available out there for probably our type of industry. So now we need the right intermediaries and see how we can bridge the gap between the funds which are looking for projects and us looking for money, how we can bridge the gap, but the funds are available. Today's event, I think I can sum it with one word: reassuring.